fashion, beauty, and brains. Those three words will be experienced in totality tonight, right here at the Miss United Nigeria International 2020. My name is King Dion, and I represent Play TV. We're here to make sure that you get all the best moments of this evening. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
When I reach Poland, they're calling me Odogu, Odogu. And as I enter the town, I put down for Egu, Odogu. And nobody can stop you. And so we they fly past you, over any obstacle.
Welcome to Play TV. As always, my name is King Dion, and I have a very special guest here with me. He is performing, and I'm going to let him introduce himself because I saw something special about him. It's him and his guitar. We're going to get into that later, but hey, let's just do the honors and get the man of the moment to say who he is.
Hello, my name is Faith Jason. I'm a musician. I'll be performing today, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
We will. I heard some little stuff you were doing earlier, so I was like, this sounds interesting.
Then you could sink like a boat. Me, I just did laugh like say life is a
Mr.
joke.
John Anderson, tell me, how are you enjoying yourself so far?
So far, great. I had a nice drink, and it looks like a great program. I met a bunch of people. So,
Okay.
so you know, not what you know, right?
Hey, I like that. That's smart.
So we are the Miss United Nigeria Beauty Pageant, where a lot of girls will be showcasing beauty, brains, and talent. And I believe you are here to see all of this. So what are your expectations tonight?
I'm just hoping to see beautiful ladies do their own thing, representing Nigeria or Africa as a whole.
I've seen a lot of beautiful ladies, a lot of beautiful people here today. I just feel my music would be way beautiful than those ladies.
Whoa, are you calling the ladies out? So guys, tell me, what are you expecting this evening? You know, I see you guys looking pretty fly. What's going on? What's going to happen this evening with you?
Yeah, basically I'm here not just to see the beauty, but the brains, because I love smart girls. So I want someone smart to bring you home.
Yeah. And we have Kendra in the very nice looking red, by the way, I must say. And we have Haley in the white. So tell me, ladies, what's going on this evening for you?
I feel it's going to be really interesting in there because this is my first time actually getting to judge a pageant, and I'm really nervous, but I have my friend here.
She's going to give you back up?
Yeah, she's my ginger right now.
Why the girls they shaky yeah, she a Odogu. With the person with the cash, she a Odogu. Aje, kekele Odogu. Aje, kekele Odogu. Aje, kekele Odogu. Champion.